Suppose that $3,000 is invested at 3% interest, compounded yearly. How long will it take for the investment to triple? Solve algebraically using logarithms, and then use your calculator to round your final answer to 2 decimal places. We need to use the compound interest formula as we have stated on our slide. A, the future value, equals P, the principal, parentheses, 1 plus our rate, R, divided by N, the number of compounding periods per year, close parentheses, all raised to the N times T, number of compounding periods multiplied by time. So let's take the information we have. We first have that the principal is $3,000. We also see that the rate is 0.03, converting 3% to a decimal. And it's compounded yearly. Compounded yearly, which means that N equals 1. Now, we don't know time, so we'll leave that one as a question mark. Now, I'm going to fill in the values that I know into the compound interest formula. Oh, I don't know the future value, A. But I do know that my investment is tripling, which means that it is $9,000 at some point in the future. I'm just trying to find when. All right, so this would make the equation 9,000 equals 3,000, parentheses, 1 plus 0.03 divided by N, which is 1, all raised to the 1 times T. Exponent is 1 times T. Now I can solve this by first dividing by 3,000. So that on the left side I have 3. 3 equals, and I'm going to go ahead and simplify this, 1 plus 0.03 divided by 1 is 1.03. So parentheses 1.03 raised to the T, because 1 times T is, in fact, just T. Now, we need to use logarithms here because we have an exponent. Okay, this is where the power rule is very useful. I'm going to take the natural log of both sides so that my left-hand side is natural log of 3. My right-hand side becomes T times natural log of 1.03. Now I can isolate T by dividing both sides by natural log of 1.03. Alright, now that means T is equal to natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 1.03. Now we'll get out a calculator and determine what that is. Be careful with parentheses, and there's a reason that I write parentheses on every one of these. Natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 1.03 is 37, approximately 37.17 years, because we're looking for time. So depending on if you want the exact value or the approximate value, one of those will work.